Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to log into the Play Store on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be instantly notified as soon as we post a new video. In order to log into your Play Store on your desktop, start by going to your web browser, type in play.google.com, and enter. Doing so will take you to Google Play Store now. In order to sign in, click on the Sign In button located at the upper right corner. Choose an account, which you'd like to use in order to log in. Enter the password for your Google account. If you want to reveal the password, in order to check it, then click on the box over here, and you'll be able to reveal the password. In case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset your password. After you're done entering your credential, click on the Next button, and there you go. That is how you can log into Play Store on your desktop. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.